doon tatay.
Unsa? Slide na lang po kayo, sir.
Okay guys, so we are here on another island here guys. This is Pangasinan beach.
Yes, yes, guys, this is in Pangasinan. But this is the name of the island anyway. Yes, this is one of the 100 islands, and then this is the very beautiful beach over here. So you have lots of people here swimming around, and this is the activities that they do here, guys. You know, you got a lot of rides over this side. So yes, you got the banana rides. You know, you got everything over here you can do, guys. It's a place to be. You want to come here and enjoy the beach. And also a lot of tourists come along here as well, guys. Also, they can do the zip line here as well, guys. So that's up there. You zip line right over to there. So there you go, guys. Yeah. Yes, now, how does it taste?
It's sweet and creamy.
How much I know? You haven't seen.
Masarap.
You have not showed the fun. Yeah, have someone show the fun. I mean, I don't know if it's masarap until you eat it. I don't. They have to see you put a spoon in the. There you go, a spoon in the mouth. Now, how does it taste? Now you tell them now.
It's sweet and creamy.
Sweet and creamy. Sweet and creamy. That's it, guys. Yeah. And what about you, Miss?
Well, I just really like the beans, to be honest.
Just
And it's yum.
yummy, yeah. Yes, and I got mine here as well. Yes. Yes. Masarap. Yes, masarap.
This is the traditional dessert in Filipino.
Tell them it is what?
Traditional dessert.
Yes, a traditional dessert here, yeah? Yes, guys, it is. Because I eat them here all the time. And you do have a hot one as well, guys, similar to it, but it doesn't call alo alo, it's a different name.
We call it bilo-bilo.
And they call it bilo bilo, yes.
Yeah. In Pangasinan, we call it tambu-tambu.
Okay.
And it's yummy.
Yeah.
You will love it.
You sell bilo bilo? Yes, over there.
Wala
There's
kang
alo
puto
alo.
kayo? May bilo-bilo kayo? Anggapo, they don't have it.
In Depot. Yes, in Depot. You know, they don't. No, guys, no, they don't have it in Depot. There's someone, guys, there coming off, and this is also one of the islands we just arrived on as well, guys. And there's someone that's just zipline off there, and we have someone who's going to do it, guys. So we are on a different part of the island. But the thing is, here I've got too much seaweed on here, so we just arrived at this island, and this is one of the 100 islands we're on, guys. There is no name to say what's the name of this island physically, but we are on one of the islands. Look at the camera. Yes, 100 island. And what are they making here? So this is a business to promote for you guys, you know. They're making alo halo here. So when you come on the 100 islands, you know, this is what you can buy here. And it's for 80 peso each as well. And if you want extra, guys, you'll pay more money. Simple as that. Yeah. Good afternoon. This is for YouTube. Yeah, I'm a content creator. I'm a blogger. Oh. So I'm promoting this business for you guys. And this is the milk, guys. This is one that they evaporated milk they put in the alo halo as well. Yeah. Yeah, for me, not too much ice, please. Yeah, so they're going over to do it now, see? There we go. So the boss is going over to do it now. Yes. And over here is a nice little area as well, guys, you know, so You can swim also over this area, and you can get boat ride as well. We got Kuya over there. Let's try and get a wave to him. I don't know, he's busy at the moment doing what you have to do over there. But it's so nice, guys. And okay, here we go, guys. Okay, there's a name. We are back at this spot, guys. We was at this spot earlier. So yes, so we are here at the Groves, which is Amusement City, Pangasinan, Philippines, 100 islands. Yes. So yes, guys. So we got our boat anyway. Just drop us off over this side as well. Yeah. So that's our boat over this side. So this is the boat is going to take us back, back to our destination. So yeah, that's really, really nice to travel, guys. Traveling is nothing sweeter than traveling. Traveling is the best. And here is a picture right over here as well, guys, with the halo halo. It's right over this side. There we go. And you can buy chips. You have a lot of things you can buy over here. And here you go. Here she comes. Here she is. Yeah, that's the boss that make the halo halo. Making the halo halo. Yes, Kuya. Oh, you got Kuya. Hello, Kuya. All right to be on camera. Yes. So yes, guys. So these are things you can buy here when you come to 100 Islands. So I'm going to put all the link down in the description for everything here, guys. So don't worry, all that link will be in the description. Salamat, Kuya.
Okay, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. Hello. Good afternoon. Wait, don't be shy, eh? Oh, yes. You want to be on it? Yes, good afternoon. Hello. It's very tame. It is a very tame cat. Yes, I know you're hungry. Yes, my arm. Yes. Very hungry cat, yeah. Yes, and over here as well, guys, you can do a lot of activities as well. Remember, just negotiate the price with Kuya. See that standing on the side. Just negotiate the price with them, and then you can have a boat ride right over there. Yes, guys, this is the final step, I believe, and this is the step we'll take off to the view for the 100 Islands. Let's have a look. Oh, here we go. Wow, this is so nice. Wow, what a view, guys. Before we reach here, let's play some music for you. Yes, really hope you enjoyed that music, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the music. That was a beautiful music. And look at the view right here now.
Sa gabi nakikita natin yan. So doon tayo
And what is that over there? That meant to be the Mother Christ over there, yeah?
No.
Mary?
The upper one.
Yes.
That is the Rising Christ.
Oh, the Rising Christ.
It's a pilgrimage island.
Or I think it's Divine Mercy. This is the Immaculate Conception.
It's a part of the Catholic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I thought, yeah. I thought it was Mother Mary.
This one, that one and the small one.
Oh, yes, Mother Mary.
Yeah, that is the Mother
Mary, yeah, that's the one I was looking for. There we go, guys. That's the Mother Mary right over there. Yes. So welcome to the 100 Islands. Yeah. Yes. Have you got anything to say? Welcome to the 100 Islands.
Welcome to...
Yeah, look at the camera. Wait, you turn your head away. Look at the camera and say, welcome to the 100 Island. Hello.
Hi.
Yes, say welcome to the 100
Welcome to Philippines.
No, not look at, no. You look in the camera. The camera. The camera is not over there. The camera is here. Yes, here. No, yeah, talking to the camera. Yeah.
Hi, hello. Welcome to 100 Islands in Alamino City, Pangasinan.
Yes, much better. Yes, that's right. You look at the camera, not look at away. The camera is not out there. The camera is here. Yes, guys. So welcome to the 100 Islands. Let's show you over that side. So it's like 100 of them, Boy. I think we need to buy one of these islands. What do you say?
Yeah, already bought.
Oh, which one?
This is my island there.
Here's the one.
There's
Yeah.
a
Which
house
one?
there.
Which one do you bought? Yeah.
That one, that my house. There, we're going there.
Okay, oh yes, so
To show my house.
yeah, Ian brought his house here. Here,
Yeah.
guys, I zoom in so
Yeah.
you guys can see. There
That
we go.
one.
Yes,
It's like upside down cone
Yeah.
design. Because if there's a hurricane, it's now it will not break.
yes.
Yeah, the design is like up.
We have our own law over there, you know. Police, our own law, court, everything is over there. Drama, everything is over there, you know. Fighting, everything is over there, you know. Everything happens over there. But the problem is, guys, the island is so small, we can't have an airport on it. Have an airport, it will smash the whole island and everything goes to pieces in the water. Yeah, in the too big.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. It's very nice, isn't it? Mm. And also there's a lot of activities on each island as well you can do.
There's a zip line, boat, banana boat, and
Your banana boat is quite good to do. Wow. Just look at all the islands over there, guys, you know. Wow. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, Ate, Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice!
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.